Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to customize your lock screen or even your home screen in MacBook. So for me, my current MacBook version is Sonama 14.4.1. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to system setting, and after that you can scroll down to Screensaver. As you can see, you have just arrived at the Screensaver tab, and in this tab you can just customize your screensaver. Currently I'm using Sonama Horizon as wallpaper, and also for all space, even home page and screensaver page. So basically you can choose for others. For example, you want to choose for this, or you want to choose for short video as shown at down below. So basically there will be video, a short motion video in your background screen. You can try out yourself. So yeah, that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you.